Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the correct use of a fire extinguisher, employing the pass method. When faced with a fire emergency at your workplace, it's crucial to follow these 3 steps. First step, ensure you have the appropriate type of fire extinguisher for the specific fire. Type A extinguishers are effective against standard combustibles like wood and paper, while Type B variants are suited for combating flammable liquids such as gasoline and oil. And Type C extinguishers are tailored for addressing gas fires such as hydrogen, methane, and designed for electrical fires. Type D models are designated for fires involving combustible metals like magnesium and titanium. Additionally, Class K extinguishers are indispensable for tackling fires fueled by cooking media, fats, grease, and oils, commonly encountered in commercial kitchens. If you harbor any uncertainty regarding the safe management of the fire, promptly evacuate the premises. Second step. Stand 6 to 8 feet away from the fire, holding the extinguisher. And third step. Utilize the pass method. Pull the pin to allow discharge. A means aim. Direct the extinguisher nozzle at the base of the fire. Squeeze the lever to release the extinguishing agent. Release the lever to halt the discharge. Sweep. Using a sweeping motion, move the extinguisher from side to side or back and forth until the fire is extinguished. After extinguishing the fire, monitor the area to prevent reignition. If the fire rekindles, repeat the pass method. Remember P for pull, A for aim, S for squeeze, and S for sweep. Always prioritize safety, as fires can be dangerous and potentially fatal. Only attempt to extinguish a fire if it's safe to do so. For more safety tips, subscribe to our channel.